Low inventory, high buyer activity. How will I ever be able to win in multiple offers? Let's face it, today with the low inventory, this spring market is starting off very competitive. So far, in many cases, I'm seeing two or more, many more sometimes, offers on properties that are prepared well and are priced fairly. This is causing the purchase price offer to be higher than the price in many cases. When this happens, the big seller concern is that will it appraise? There is a way you can ease the seller's concern for what happens when it doesn't appraise at purchase price. The sellers are so concerned because they worry that the only way to answer is for them to lower the purchase price. That's simply not true. One of the best ways to stand out in this scenario is to offer an appraisal gap amount to absorb all or part of the purchase price amount that's more than the appraised amount. This shows the seller that you, as a buyer, are willing to work with them to rectify the gap between purchase price and appraisal price. In your offer, you include an amount that you will put towards the appraisal gap if one arises. You think, stop. Wait a minute, I don't have extra money to do this. But you may have another way to do this. Check with a mortgage lender, as they may have some creative ways to restructure your loan depending upon how much you are putting down on the loan. One way is to adjust your down payment and pay a small amount more for monthly mortgage insurance premium payments, or PMI. Or ask the seller to pay for the upfront mortgage insurance premium. This is when you pay to satisfy the whole premium upfront at closing versus making those monthly payments. This amount is able to be paid for by the seller by asking the seller to pay closing costs to cover that amount at closing in the form of a closing reimbursement. The seller's paying this amount is much lower than the seller absorbing the entire amount of the gap. Ready to start your home buying journey? Want to speak with a loan officer that's knowledgeable? Reach out to me and my team, debgrimme, homesintwincities.com, and Edina Realty, providing personal service and delivering remarkable results. And as always, make it a great buying and selling day. Take care.